Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix mail and calendar error 0x80070490. Something went wrong trying to add an email account. So guys, if you are facing any problem in mail or calendar, so you can reset and you can fix this problem easily. Click on start, then settings. Here click on apps, then installed apps. Now here search mail. This one, mail and calendar. Click on these three dots, advanced options. Here firstly repair, then if repair method not work, so click on reset. It will reset your complete mail application. So this is the first method. You can try. Second one, click on start. Now here search store, Microsoft Store. Now here click on library. Now here search mail and calendar. If update is available, so update your mail application. So this is the second method. Click on get updates and see if updates is available. So update your Microsoft Mail and Calendar application. Third method, click on start, search PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now copy and paste this command line. I will give in description. Then press enter. Now once this process will complete, close and restart. After restart, again open Microsoft Store. Then here search mail. Click on mail and calendar. Then download this official mail and calendar application. And once this complete, again restart. So this is the possible way, guys. You can try to resolve and to fix mail and calendar application error. Thanks for watching. Comment this video worked for you or not.